Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting inside Settings, open Accessibility and tap Guided Access to enable it now. Set a passcode. This prevents accidental exits. Then enable Face ID if you prefer faster unlocking. Once done, add Guided Access to the Accessibility shortcut so you can triple-click the side button from any app. This step ensures you can enter the mode immediately. Make sure the passcode is memorable or stored securely because you'll need it to end a session. Now, open the app you intend to lock to and triple-click the side or home button to start guided access. At the dialog, tap options to control touch, motion, keyboards, and hardware buttons. Disable what could exit or disrupt the task. Use your finger to draw on the screen and create grayed-out zones that block taps or gestures, which is crucial for limiting in-app navigation. Finally, tap Start. This locks the device into the app while preserving the exact interaction rules you chose. To finish, triple-click the side or home button again, authenticate with the guided access passcode or Face ID, then tap End. If the device is unresponsive and won't exit guided access, perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, and try again. If options aren't working as expected, return to Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Guided Access, and review your toggles. Make sure the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.